Evaluate the limit of sin of 3x divided by x as x approaches 0. We can use a substitution to make this limit easier to evaluate. Let u equal 3x. As x approaches 0, u also approaches 0. Now we can rewrite the limit in terms of u. X is equal to u divided by 3. Substituting these values, our limit becomes the limit of sin u divided by u over 3 as u approaches 0. We can simplify this further. Dividing by u over 3 is the same as multiplying by 3 over u. Then we can rewrite this as 3 times sin u over u. Now, we know that the limit of sin u over u as u approaches 0 is equal to 1. So we have 3 times 1, which equals 3. Therefore, the limit of sin of 3x divided by x as x approaches 0 is 3.